GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share right here. And the first link below says swing like a pro. So click on the first link, come to this page right here, go and watch these setup videos which we have taken in the past. And then you can join this program if you want, and you can get these kind of setups as well. So go and check out these videos first. Second link says book consultation, check broker. So you can talk to me, book consultation right here. And the third one is absolutely free. Go and join my free Telegram for sure. Coming back to the chart right here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, this was your high, which has not been broken. Okay. So we left the resistance right here, made a new low. This was taken, okay, made a new low, pullback, we got going down. I guess, let's see, coming down, we are already down. So this is your consolidation, and 4 hour is what? 4 hours consolidating, okay. We are doing zigzag, 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 zigzag. Okay, so if this high breaks, we go up. So look for high to break to go up, or look for low to break to go down. Cool. High breaks, we go up. Low breaks, we go down. That's all about it. So if you want precise entry, exit, and TP, then go and join this program in the first link below. I'll see you in the next video. So then take care.